Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So guys, today is Sunday and we are doing some cleaning, some major cleanup in the house, guys. So starting with my girls' room. Alright guys, so I'm in this room, the window is closed and there is a weird scent coming from the ceiling. Yes, so this have been going on. Let me open the window, guys, because it's really strong. So this has been going on for a while now. Where the sorry guys, yeah, where the room has a smell because the ceiling needs to be done. The ducks are up there and all of that. Yes, so it's now affecting the girls. Each night just gonna keep coughing and sneezing and stuff. So for now, I'm going to take out their bed, put it into the boys' room, so they will sleep with the boys until Junior start the renovation of the roof and the ceiling. So in the next 3 or so weeks, that's when we're gonna start the reno. But for now, we can't allow them to keep sleeping in the room because it's affecting them. So they're gonna share a room with the boys until their room is back to living condition. So that's what we are doing right now, guys. We are moving up things, rearranging things. Yeah, they took out some toys and some books and everything that they have in the room, so they are sorting out. I'm gonna show you what I push up the table some more because we're gonna have to rearrange the living room also to accommodate the because what happened, the couch, they cannot pass through this doorway to come in here. If they could, we would just put them in this room, no problem, but they can't pass through the door because the door is very small. So we have to try rearrange. Huh? Huh? Oh, so we have to try and rearrange the entire house to, yeah. So this is what we have over here. I'm going to try and put this couch into my room. That one is going to stay in here because it can fit in here with the bed. And now, guys, I have my room now. I'm going to have to take out those two side pieces. I don't want to move them, but I have no choice right now. The kids' health come first. So I'm going to have to take out these side pieces, put them back into the living and dining so I can fit the big couch in here. Yeah. So that is what we are doing right now, guys. So stay tuned. So we put the bed back in here. It's like that. Yep. So for those who don't know, this bed was already in here on the other channel. When I used to do the cleaning videos on the other channel, this bed was in here. This chair was in here. Apart from that side piece there, a chest of drawer, that wasn't in here. The other black one in Jessica's room was here. But it's gonna stay for now because this is still Justin's room. Yeah. So this is what it's looking like. Now we're gonna move on to the living room. This is a mess that we have to tackle, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I don't know when we're gonna finish. But we have a whole lot of mess, guys. Whole lots of mess. That's what happened when you're doing a rearranging video or a change up video. You have a lot of work to do. Oh, and Junior is in the washroom. Junior is washing. So let me show you guys. The house is totally in a complete mess. The cat is laying on the carpet. I'm gonna put this carpet outside. So Junior is washing, guys. Yep. I begin to Okay guys, so this is where we reach in the living and dining. So I put the table right here. I put this chest of drawer right here for a buffet table. Camera is not focusing. I remove this side table from there. Yep. And it has, and I put the entertainment center over here. So this is where we reach, guys. And it is looking good. I'm thinking to put that over some more. Yep. I don't want it to be too chucky, at the same time looks nice. And this is nice. I like the table right there. Yep. Come here, Justin. Jessica, come here. Bring daddy room, our room. Jessica, here.
up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up